redneckers. All right, YouTubes. I kid you not, I just got home from the lake. It's Sunday. Got home from the lake, made it to Costco for the week's grocery shopping. Look, it's 11 o'clock, and I got a service call. That's how it goes. But I'm thankful I at least got a day on the lake with the kids, took the kids and their significant others, and the wife. We had a good time. Where are those knuckleheads? You feel the boat bump? That's what they're gonna right here. Feel the wakeboarding, pull the inner tube behind the boat thing. A lot of fun. And now it's Sunday grind, so we can pay for it all, right? Let's get out there. Ooh, the boots feel funny after being in flip-flops for a couple days. Tippins. Oh, the torch saved Tippins. He tipped over into the torch. Straighten you out. Look, I put the waters from the cooler back in the truck. I got some waters and they're all getting sweaty. All right, let's grab a couple gloves. Knee pads and tippins. We'll get in there. True two-door. Look, Predator blood installed. Probably low. Either low or plug cap tube. Let's add some gas and see what happens. All right, added some gas. We got a 20-degree evaporator, 20.7. Cap tube's not plugged, but we do a little leak check and see if that evaporator is a leaker. It's usually where they leak on these is the evaporator section. Did a gas and go. That one was low on charge. I did the gas and go special. I leak checked the coil. It's got probably a really, really small leak to where I used the H.V.A.C leak detector. It didn't pick it up. But I'm going to run the serial number on that one and see how old it is. And then he said it hasn't had gas in it for a long time. So someone else put UV dye in there and gassed it up. He wants to see how long it lasts before we take a deep dive into that one. So gas and go Sunday special. Let's get on to the next one. All right, YouTubes. Just leaving the homeless depot. I gotta head out to customers. Got a under counter reach in. Said it's newer. I think it's H.V.A.C. Probably one of the ones out of China. Say it's not cooling. I don't think it's very old. Let's get out there and take a look. I'll bring you guys along. Let's go scope it out. And that's our next call. Let's get over here. Oh yeah. Oh, Tippins, leaning against the door. Look at yourself. All right, let's get you set up. Get some gloves on and some gauges. Let's go in there.
Yeah, the sandwich good.
Thank you.
Alright, there's no ice on the coil whatsoever. So the coil's not iced up. Let me get this back cover off and we'll see what's going on with this thing. Oh yeah, it's got the corral control, 53 degrees. Alright, my suspicion is that thing's low on charge. I'm gonna get the leak detector heated up here. Yep, I put it in the video and I'm using it. I'm on high sensitivity. Yep. I always notice that these always leaked on the other models. Far so good. Intersection. I might have to charge this thing up and then leak check it. So I get a sniffer through here before I rip it all apart. Alright, I got my fitting brazed in. I changed out the dryer. It has a fitting, so we get some gas in here and then see what it's doing. I got it on the vacuum pump. I'm gonna weigh in 4 ounces with my scale after I evacuate it, and then I'll check pressures with my probes on there. They're about the lowest loss gauges I have. I'll put the field piece probes on there and we'll see what we're looking like. Pull vacuum down. I don't know, I honestly don't know if it's low on charge or it's got a plug cap tube or what's going on or why it's not cooling. Maybe the compressor's low capacity. There's no way to know until I gauge up on it, so that's where I'm at on this one. R290 marker. Red. All right, here's my R290 kit with my scale. There it is. That H.V.A.C unit, I leak checked the crap out of that thing. I put the fittings on it, and if you guys know where those leak all the time, give me a heads up. So I had a freezer made by that same company with the same issue, and I never did find the leak on it. I think that one's still running. This one here, cut the fitting in, cut the dryer in, put the vacuum, got the gas in. Yeah, I know usually the evaporators leak, but man, I am not getting a hit. So I'm gonna see how long this one goes, and then I'll just have to cut pieces and pressurize each piece. See what's leaking. 9 times out of 10 it's the evap coils, but we're gonna go off to another one right now. I'm not sure what brand it is, but man, these economy refrigerators and freezers are just not holding up. But you guys already know this. This is going to be the most ultimate gas and go video of all time. Let's keep them rolling and see how we make out. It's what is it? It's 5:19 in the evening. I got one more stop for today. I got a couple already hooked up for tomorrow for after work, and some more on Friday. So yeah, let's get to the next one. Epic times. Good stuff. We got a little rush hour traffic going. This one's beverage air. Same story. I had to cut a fitting in. See it back there. Recharge. This one only takes 3 ounces. R290. I'll go get the leak detector and see if we can pick anything up. Yeah, it's got some heat on the condenser now. So it's definitely low. Ounces of sauce. R290, maybe 3 years old. Its total charge is only 3 ounces. It was low. Leak checked it, couldn't get a detection. And like I said earlier, it's usually the evaporators on those things. So customers are cool, dude. I'm all, let's gas this thing up and get your stuff working. We'll write the date down, see how long it lasts, and we could always come back and pump it up full of nitrogen and regular refrigerant, and then leak check it with the H10. The H10's pretty bulletproof, and that's one way to do them. So that's what we're gonna do for now. This is the the most ultimate gas and go video. What? That's three G&Gs, baby, right there. 1, 2, 3. 3 gas and goes. And if you notice too, I'm putting shredders on those R290 units. Everybody else is. You do what you do. I do what I do. Follow your company's policy. But the R290 so far hasn't been as gnarly as we all thought it was going to be when it first came out. So you get used to anything. I actually like having the little cylinders for charging, less to carry. So that's how it is. So do me a huge favor, hit the like button. Let's help the algorithm out and see if we can boost NorCal Dave up into the YouTube stratosphere. Or if you didn't like it, push the thumbs down button. That's fine too. And if you haven't yet subscribed, there's a little button at the bottom there. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications, and get notified when I post up a video. Thanks, and have a great day, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.
Yeah,